Treat.
There you go. There you go. That should be good.
Ooh.
Look where you want to go. Okay, this is our first time. We can walk it down. We can walk down. This is the hard part.
Okay.
But if you really,
Yeah, there's no way I'm not making this one.
straight, lock it, go down here. Just out like that.
Man.
Light work, bro. Yeah, yeah. Hold that brake.
There he goes. There he goes.
Woo! Oh, you almost got
close.
it. You almost had it. That was so close. Okay. Stand up. Turn. Look where you want to go.
Ooh. I'm good.
Okay, you're good. Stand up. Go slow on the brake.
I'm okay. Okay. See, it's good. Joseph took some time.
Stand up. Look where you want to go. Yeah. You got it.
Ooh. This is fun.
Yeah, man. Don't be afraid to go up the rocks.
Yeah.
Trust the bike.
Yeah.
Your bike can take it.
Okay.
Okay, this is gonna be hard.
Okay.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Yeah. Yeah. Straight. Dude, you had it. There you go. And then up here. Come down here. Holy shit.
Bro.
Nice, bro. Nice. You good, Tristan?
He's coming.
Bro, that was...
There you go.
There you go.
Ooh.
Work.
Good job, man. Give me some.
Bro, that was good, bro. There you go. There you go. You want to go inside here? Slow down.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm alive. Oh my god.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
Put your feet up. You want to... Yeah, even your feet up. Even your feet up.
Okay.
There you go.
I thought you won't hit the rock.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah.
In a way,
Slow
don't
down.
try to control
Slow
the
down a
bike.
little. Maybe control yourself. Control your bike.
Let the bike kind of take control. Don't try to force it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just let it flow. Oh,
And then here you
know
go
where
up
to
high. Go up high, up here, up here.
Okay.
And then slowly turn.
Oh fuck. Okay. Gotta take a break. Sorry.
You're good, bro. Take your time.
I'm good. I'm good.
Hey, look at that view, man.
Whew. Sweet. Hey, I'm good.
Remember, keep your feet straight.
Okay.
Keep on balance. Because I see you hitting the wall.
Yeah.
Did you keep?
Woo!
Slow down a little. Okay, go wide. Then make a turn. Careful for the tree.
Oh, they hate it.
I'm good. I'm good.
Dude, there's a fucking tree. The tree's scared of me, bro.
I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Bro, I locked up in the rear because I saw the tree and I thought I was gonna hit it.
My handle hit the tree.
Dude, look what happened here, bro.
Oh, is it okay?
I was like, look what happened. Like, I
Oh,
was like, touch the tree, and then next thing you know, the whole you guys just all died.
She's like scared the hell out of me, bro.
I was like, oh,
Look, you can even see like what we
Yeah, you guys ended up far. Bro.
right, this is
Yep.
oh shit, tree.
Oh, oh my God. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm right behind you.
Come on, bud. Alright, slow down the middle. You got it?
I'm good. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Okay.
Dude, that was my word.
Holy crap, bro.
That was good, huh?
Yeah. Holy moly. Holy moly. Ooh. That was fast.
It was great.
Dude, I haven't caught air.
Yeah, I know, I saw.
I took the big ass sword.
Keep going straight, bro. Follow the trail.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, slow down.
Good.
Slow down.
My asshole.
You good?
I got violated. Oh,
You alright?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Look at that view though.
You good, Joseph? Slow down. Watch where you want to go. Don't look at the trees. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. You can go a little faster if you want.
Yeah, just slow down, Joe. Slow down, slow down. Dude. Bro, you're mad, bro.
Bro.
Dude, no.
Fast, huh?
I was going so fast. You know where it's just rocks? And
Yeah.
it's just, I was going like full speed.
Bro, it's so fast,
Yeah.
bro.
I'm good.
You good?
Out. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god!
Ooh. Fuck.
There you go.
Holy fuck! I'm good. Holy I'm okay.
You're going too fast.
Stop.
Yeah. Bro. Calm down. Just,
I'm good.
don't rush it. Just relax. Real quick. Relax. Don't let the adrenaline get to you.
Yeah, I'm okay though. I feel fine. I didn't get hurt. Nothing landed on me. I don't know what happened to the bike.
Too fast, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Bro, just relax. Yeah, you can start over here.
Is the bike okay?
Dude, you can throw this bike off a cliff, bro. It won't get damaged.
Is this how the cables are supposed to be?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just relax. It's fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fast. You went in fast, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Left and right. Yeah. Nice and slow. Slow down. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo. There you go, man. Slow down. Yeah. Dude, you got it.
Yeah.
Someone ate. Yeah.
Yeah. Again.
I didn't, dude. I want to go back and take on the big ones.
Oh yeah.
That was more just adrenaline than anything.
Yeah.
Oh, that feels great. Oh, no way. Woo! Oh! Ooh-wee. On your right. On your right. Ooh, that was awesome, dude. I'm all wet. Ah.